Welcome to Beaded Doilies by Shell. In this video we are working with the even teeny tiny doily on our adding row. When using connectors between your doilies, you'll be connecting on the second row with your even teeny tiny doilies, where with your odd ones you connect on the third row. So I'll be showing you how to connect when you connect on the second row. So this is whether you're using one connection or two connections, it is done the same way. So when you are doing your even teeny tiny doilies, like I said, you will be connecting when you're adding on your second row. For the small ones, you'll only do this one time, but if you're doing the longer ones, you will repeat this video until you get to the last one on your row. Now your bead should be coming out of the bottom side bead for your last circle added. And what you're going to want to do is go through 3 side beads to get into position to add the next circle. One, two, three, and that puts us coming out here, so we're going to add our beads in this order. And for this one they are all low, so I shall add 3 pinks. And then we will go through that top bead of the previous circle. Then we'll go through the 2 side beads that is a part of the circle we just added. And now, when we're going to connect, we're going to come out this bottom bead over here. So we want to go through the 3 beads we just added, plus 1 more bead. The 3 we just added, and then we go through 1 more. Now when you lay it out, you want to make sure that these haven't gotten twisted and turned. You want to make sure it's laying correctly, and then just like up here, we will add 1 connection bead. And then as our string is coming down out of this one, we're going to go up, and we're coming down out of the 3rd bead. So you want to count down, and you want to go into the 3rd bead. We go into the 3rd one, and then we also go into the 2nd one. So our string should be coming out of the 2 middle beads. Then we add another connection bead. And we go down through, because you want to go the opposite, where your string's coming out, you want to go the opposite side and go 1 bead, and you want to go towards the bead that your string is coming out of. And then we want to go in towards where we're working, so we go through that center bead. And to get us into the same position as where we started in the video, we will go through that one bead that's part of the circle we last added, and that puts us at the same position as where we started at the beginning of the video. And if you're doing the long one, you'll then just repeat the video for however many times to connect your piece together. And then you will want to, if you need refreshers for creating your teeny tiny doily, you'll want to then continue to part 24 and continue, and then you'll repeat for the odds and then the evens until you finish your row that you are adding to your piece. I will see you in the next video, and I hope that you are enjoying making your piece, whatever it may be. Happy beading.